was your trip in Oslo?
My trip was really great. We went from America, Minnesota, and then we went to Iceland, and we're in Iceland for like 2 days.
Yeah, but tell me more about it.
Velkommen til Oslo.
Velkommen til Oslo. Velkommen til Oslo.
I've been here in Oslo for about 2 weeks, and I have to really say this, and I'm gonna put this out there, and I really mean it when I say this. Oslo is an amazing city. It offers an excellent setting to explore as well as to relax, with a lovely mix of state-of-art design, history, exciting art galleries, and fantastic Norwegian food. Oh boy, Oslo is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Despite such amazing beauty, this Norwegian capital is hella expensive. When it comes to expensive cities, Oslo puts cities like London, Washington D.C. to shame. Well, it's possible to find a budget accommodation. Is the cost of food and drink that hurt the most. Expect to pay 100 nosh, which is about $16 for a fast food meal, and you pay about 135 to 145 US dollar for a three-course meal in a mid-range restaurant for two. Even a glass of wine in an upscale deli will set you back about $20 to $30. That's how expensive this city is. Try multiplying by 3, and the value you get will make you hop on the first flight back home like really quick and really fast. A lot of times people ask me, how do you get around in Oslo? Fly everywhere? No, I'm kidding. I'm actually kidding. A cheap way to get around the city is to make use of the metro system. I mean, I'm telling you, you gotta take the metro system to everywhere. For me, I took the buses, I took the streetcars, I sometimes took the subways, and oh boy, I took the ferries. They're pretty awesome. All the public transportations in Oslo and the surrounding county is a part of the same ticket and price system. Another word, tickets are valid for buses, streetcars, subways, and some ferries and local trains. So it's awesome to purchase a ticket and make it use, just get around everywhere you wanted to go. Oslo is a very walkable city. It's easy to get around by walking. So if you decide to walk and ditch the train, just make sure you bought some very comfortable shoes and, just walk or bike to everywhere. Oslo got so many bikes. Like, you literally see bikes like in every corner of the city. For that reason, I think Oslo is an ideal city for cycling, and believe me, you can experience a lot on a two wheels. So why not explore the city on a city bike? It's a convenient and environmentally friendly way to get around in the city. How do you get the bike? The bikes can be found at a 250 stations in and around the city center. If a rack is full or empty, the next one is always close by. You don't even really have to walk far, so there are bikes everywhere. I'm gonna drop the links somewhere here so you can like click and register. Once you download the app, you're all set. You got the bike, you're ready to roll. Here is one road where you can discover many of the city's highlights. It's called Oslo Bermendo. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna drop the name somewhere here. But this road ties the city together from east to west. It's really beautiful. It's about 6 mile bike ride along the Oslo waterfront. During the 6 mile bike ride, you can experience everything from Oslo's most beautiful building, famous museums, and historic buildings. The Opera House is considered one of the most iconic buildings in Scandinavia. The building is not just a cultural center, in my opinion, but an inviting public space which brings a lot of people. I'm talking about people from all walks of life. It's like the cornerstone of dynamic increase in residential and cultural and commercial district. To fully appreciate the building internal, external design, I highly recommend you join one of the guided tours, and this happens all the time. It's just, oh my god, this place is really beautiful. I got the chance to hop on the top of the building just to see the view of the city for each corner and each direction. So it's really amazing. It's like I guess this place is my favorite spot just to come and cool down or just kind of like vibe and just feel the city, and at the same time just grab me some bite or coffee around the area. So this gotta be one of my favorite places to come and just chill. Okay, this is what I call the hand waterfront. I don't know, this little hand water is just cute. Like, I don't really see. I traveled to China, I traveled to a lot of places I just never really seen. I just think it's really cute. This place is called Christiania Torv. I guess that's how you really say it, but I'm gonna drop the name, so I might be tripping, but I'm gonna drop the name. But this place is just really beautiful. It's just beautiful public square in Oslo. There is so much history in this small part of the city. You would find some of the oldest houses in Norway. Like some of them are from 1624. The other day, someone told me that after fire burned down a portion of the city, 1624, the Danish Norwegian king decided to rebuild the town, and then I guess they named this place after him, and then that's when he had like that little finger, and it was like, oh my god, I'm gonna build a new town here, and then the new town will lay here. So that's where the whole idea, the finger, came from. So he decided to rebuild the city and just called it. He was like, yep, this is gonna be the new city. So yeah, so it's like so much history. So if you're like into history and at the same time just like seeing your urbanism and then history kind of come together, so this is the area, this is the spot. So you'd see like your urbanism, but at the same time so much history, like that they preserved in one place. So I can't think of any other place in Norway that you can like get these two things together. So this is the spot. All in all, this is really a great place to grab a bite, to grab a beer, to grab a coffee. In the summertime is actually really beautiful, and I'm lucky that I'm here in the summertime. So it can also get super busy because you're gonna see a lot of people from all walks of life coming here for different reasons. So be ready for a huge crowd.